very, very quick video. I'm going to share with you how to use a Google Sheet to filter the results you get from keywords everywhere. First and foremost, you need to have the extension activated. You can see it's activated there. I did a search for baking bread, which is the pillar term that we talk about in the blog post. And you can see there are approximately 12,100 searches per month on this term. It's very high level. You're not going to rank for baking bread. When you look at the domain authority of the people who are ranking at the top, you've got Moz domain authority 72, you've got 62, 92. I mean, a lot of videos, Sally's Home Baking 74. You're competing with a lot of domains with very, very high authorities on that pillar keyword. However, Keywords Everywhere lets you find long tail keywords. This takes a few minutes, so I'm not going to bore you by watching it all function. But when you click that button, it launches a new tab, and in this case gives you 812 keywords, long tail keywords related to baking bread. You can do a lot of filtering here inside this screen, but what I like to do is just click this button right here where it says copy, and then I'll go to a Google Sheet, and you see I've created a tab here with the modifiers that I talk about in the blog post, and then here's your master list, and you just paste that list that you just copied into here. And then you can use data filters and the modifiers to filter this list and create your informational keywords, your commercial keywords, and your transactional keywords. And the way you do that is you open up data, filter views, and then you pick from the list. Now, I've previously created these lists, and this spreadsheet template is available to you. If you follow through on the link, it'll be view only. You just make a copy of it, and then it's yours to do with as you wish. If you're making a new filter, this little icon here says that this is where you're doing the filters. So you click that button, and you're going to do filter by condition. And the condition in this case is text contains. And then you put in whatever you want the text to contain, for example, how to, and click OK. And then it gives you all of the entries in this spreadsheet. Doesn't remove anything. You can see it over here. We've got 1, 2, 14, 492. So it doesn't take anything away. It just filters out everything. It only shows you the things that match your condition. Then you can copy this. So I'm going to remove that. And just now it's the complete list. We've already created the filters, so you can use the ones that are here as the way I just showed you. Data, filter views, and then pick the modifier you're looking for. Once you get your thing filtered, for example, let's quickly do that. Filter view, how? Now you've got 32 of 96 of 996 rows available. You copy all of that, and then you paste that in here. And you're going to do that several times because each of the search intent buckets has several modifiers. You just add them all up. And then if you collect your data sheet here, not the headlines, the ones underneath, and you mark them all. And then there's another function under data cleanup, remove duplicates. Because when you do the modifier search, the chances are you're going to get some things duplicated. This just cleans that up and removes the duplications. Then you're going to want to go through and remove the obvious things or adjust the obvious things. Like, for example, the one about the UK, clean it up, adjust it, and then you're going to go to the next step, which I talk about in the blog post. So hopefully that gets you started. And hey, give me a shout if you've got any questions. Happy to see if I can give you a hand.